Here she goes. Whoop, whoa, did we fall down, Sarah? Up you go, you can do it. Up you go, sweetie. There you go, up you go. Okay. Here she comes, we're on the move. We're on the move. Good job, Sarah. Good job, sweetie.
Mama, look.
Yeah, look at Sarah walking, honey. Oops, she's falling down a lot more now. Should we turn you around, Sarah? You want to try again? Here she comes. Here she comes. Good job. Yes, sweetie. It does. Good job, Sarah. Are you stuck? Should we go this way? Let's go this way. Come on over this way. Here we go. Come see me. Sarah, are you going to walk some more? Good girl. Look at you go. She is going to be walking on her own any day now. Whoa. Whoa. Wipe out. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Yeah, did you wipe out a little bit there? Dada? Hi. Where are you going to go? Can you clap? Can you show me how you clap? Yay! Oh, you're patting your tummy. Hey. Yay. Okay, we all done? Bye-bye. Oh, here comes Sarah. Hi, sweetie. Whoop, are we driving? Let's steer. Let's go this way a little bit. There we go. Oh, are we all done, Sarah? Are we all done? She's pretty speedy crawling, so now she decides she wants to walk. Okay. You say hi to Mommy? Austin.
Hi.
Hi, Austin. Can you wave? Hi, I love you.
I love you.
Guess how much I love you?
So much.
So much. That's right. Oh, what's Sarah getting into over there? Just the balls, huh? Okay, we'll go bye-bye.
Oh, stand up. Come
Okay. Move out of the way, Austin.
Move out of the way, Austin. Come on.
Dada, you coming to see Dada? Oh, she's falling down now.
Come see me.
Whoa, bonk. Bonk, bonk. Go for it.
Come see Mommy.
Are you coming? Hi, sweetie. Oh, we got too excited. Hi, Sarah. Oh, are we getting tired, honey? Oh, okay, we can be all done.